How to contact Ringcentral Support. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can contact Ringcentral Support. So, how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Ringcentral account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, go to your web browser and open a new tab. In the new tab, type out Ringcentral Customer Support or customer service. Just select the one that applies to you. When you select it, you'll be taken to another page where you would see a number showing you how you can reach them, either by chatting with this number or by calling this number. Okay, or you can just click on the contact us option at the lower part of the screen. So once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the Ringcentral Contact Support. On this page, you would see similar questions. You'll see different ways how you can contact the support. You can decide to contact the support by asking Ringcentral community by clicking on ask our community, or you can just decide to chat with them by clicking on chat with us. So once you click on chat with us, a box will be displayed by the right side of the screen where you'll be able to chat with a Ringcentral chat bot. Alright, so you can ask any question of your choice here by clicking on the search box and typing out your questions. It could be how to change your password, it could be how to access how to call, how to make videos on Ringcentral. Just go ahead, feel free, ask any of your questions and answers will be provided. So this is how you can contact Ringcentral Support. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.